Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video should apply to fourth generation of these trucks made from 2009 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the battery is located under the front hood on the driver's side right here. First thing you have to do, you have to remove the battery holder, which will be down there. You see it? This screw. So you want to remove this screw to be able to remove the holder, and then once you remove the holder, then you can loosen up and disconnect the battery terminals. To remove the battery holder, you will need a 10mm socket, extension and a ratchet. Okay, so this is the holder, this is the mounting screw once removed. And now the next thing to do is loosen up the cables and remove them from the battery terminals. Now one very important thing, you always first have to remove negative battery terminal, then the positive. So first black, then red, and then when you're connecting the new battery back in, always first connect the positive battery terminal and then the negative. That way you will prevent any kind of shorts. Okay, now this is the negative battery terminal. Usually every battery will be marked with a minus and plus. Now this one has this cover on top of it and it's very dirty, so I can't really see it. But also the cables, you can see these cables leading towards this terminal are red, so this is the positive, and these ones are black, this is the negative. So like I said, you can start by loosening up these cables right here. You don't want to remove this nut all the way, just loosen it up. Okay, so once this is nice and loose, you just want to wiggle it off the terminal, right? Now sometimes these things like to get stuck, especially if the battery wasn't replaced in a long time. In that case, you want to use something like a flat screwdriver. Just try and pry it from underneath, right? And if that doesn't help, you want to insert that screwdriver just here in between this opening and just try tapping with the hammer on top of it to try and separate that cable from the terminal, right? Okay, once the negative is disconnected and off the way, you want to do the positive. So same thing, just loosen up this nut right here. And again, you don't want to remove it completely, just loosen it up enough so you can wiggle that cable off the terminal. You see, it should go off now. I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I'll get this off the way as well. Now I'll get this cover off it. Yeah, and now the battery should be good to go. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much everything. I won't be lifting this battery out just because I can't lift anything heavy due to a surgery. But I was just using this vehicle to demonstrate on how to remove the battery. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.